Okay, so I'm going to go over the proper procedures for shutting down the HAAS mill. The first thing you want to do is make sure to clean up the machine after you're done getting all the chips out of the working area. Come over and find coolant. You're going to turn that on. If you need to already, make sure the valves are off before you press it, or else the coolant's going to come on when you're working on the piece. Come around the back side of the machine and make sure you turn the valves on for the hose so you can use that. And you're just going to take the hose, just a regular garden hose, go through and hose off the machine, get all the chips out of the working area and off of any sensitive areas that can damage the machine. Once you're done with that, go ahead and turn the coolant off. All the chips are going to be washed down into the bottom where the grinder is. So you go ahead and hit chip forward, you hear the motor turn on. Let it run for a few seconds, and go and turn it off. That's pushing the chips out of the machine and grinding them up. The next thing you want to do is center the axes. So come over to hand jog. And the purpose of this is to get the platform centered overnight. So you want to balance the weight. So you figure you've got these two different vices on there. So you're going to want to balance them on there so that way overnight the whole workstation isn't getting torqued one way or the other. Once we got that, we're going to want to go ahead, so we got clean, chips are gone, got that. Yeah, so once we got that, we want to take the tool out. Okay. So you can either take the tool out or you can switch it and put it up in the machine. Either way, it needs to come out of the tool holder. It cannot stay there overnight. These are very sensitive machines, and that'll actually throw it off by a few thousandths if it's left over there overnight. So now that we've done that, the machine's cleaned, it's set to go overnight, and ready for storage and ready to start it for tomorrow morning. We're going to shut it down. So to do that, just hit the emergency stop. That turns the servos off, machine's shut down. Now we're just going to turn the computer off, power off, you're set to go.